Okay. Good afternoon, sir. A warm welcome. So, just please introduce yourself, ma'am.
I am Dr. Deepthi Shukla. I am Principal or Director, Milestone Public School, Kolar Road, Bhopal.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, tell a little about why your school was founded.
We are there in Kolar Road, Bhopal, which was till some time back when it was founded in around 2006. So it was a socio-economically lower class of people that settled at Southam area where our first branch is situated. And we felt there is no good school nearby to cater to the needs of the society from that strata. And back in the mind somewhere we were into academics since quite long back. And so Deepthi Shukla ma'am, my wife, had a vision to give the real needed education to that class of people. And that is how our first branch of Milestone Public School was founded in 2006 in Southam Sector B in Kolar Road area of Bhopal.
Great, sir. So, you are complementing each other personally and professionally also. Great, sir. Ma'am, how does your school shape your students' learning and development?
Uh, the shape I try, but I have not find out how to get overcome all these problems. Because as sir already told you, ki we are basically fighting with a very low standard of kids, and we can say parents. So it's very difficult to cope up all these problems, but we are trying to find out the right situation at right time. We are trying to, because of COVID, we are facing lots of problem. So we'll try to find out something good.
Uh, Indeed, ma'am, as you said, after COVID, so many challenges for schools also, and बड़े schools तो सब करते ही हैं, लेकिन इन बच्चों के लिए जो आपने एरिया बताया, it's commendable that उस कैटर को ऊपर लेके जाना, है ना? It's commendable. So you are giving to the society. Okay. Sir, can you tell us how your school is different from others? What are the key areas of your school that makes you different and unique from other schools?
Ma'am, Milestone Public School basically caters to making the children really competent to face the real life that they are going to handle when they grow up. It's not just about academics. Academics is something which, even if they are not very good at, won't hurt. But if they don't have the real innate qualities that will make them a happy person, a successful personality of tomorrow, a good citizen of India, then that will really hurt and matter. So we at Milestone Public School really give lot of importance to these things. देखिए हम बच्चों को लाइफ स्किल सिखाते हैं जो लाइफ में उनको जिताने के लिए ज़रूरी होती हैं। बहुत सारे स्कूल्स अच्छा रास्ता बनाने में तो सफल हो जाते हैं, एक स्मूथ रास्ता, पर हम बच्चों को बताते हैं देखो बेटा हम कुछ भी कर लें, जब तक आप बड़े होगे तब तक की रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज हो चुकी होंगी, तो क्यों ना हम आपको वो शूज़ पहनाएं, वो कैपेबिलिटी दें कि लाइफ की डगर कैसी भी हो आप उस डगर पे सफलतापूर्वक विथ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड द स्किल दैट यू नीड इन यू हम चल सकें, उससे पार कर सकें. दैट इज़ हाउ वी आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर स्कूल्स.
आई वॉन्ट टू एड समथिंग. जैसे सर ने अभी कहा कि हम बच्चों के स्किल्स को पहचानते हैं. बहुत बच्चों में अंदर पोटेंशियल होता है, हम पहचानते हैं. अक्सर हम क्या करते हैं कि हम एक है कि आम का पेड़ होता है, आम का फल होता है, और हम उसको बीही बनाने के चक्कर में रहते हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होता है, ना वो आम का बन पाता है, ना वो बीही का बन पाता है. तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, टूल्स, and thank you so much.
Well said, ma'am. And yes, the ultimate important thing is happiness, which you are inculcating in our today's kids. So just want to ask you the one last question. Can you just share your opinion and thoughts about Brain Wonders DMIT report?
Well, this DMIT concept that Brain Wonders has integrated with career counseling is wonderful. In fact, what is happening is, as the Dr. Ma'am said, we are not really trying to know at all which kind of seed is that particular child, and we just keep on trying to build into him the skills or the personalities that he's not born for. So DMIT test really helps in that, and Brain Wonders is doing a wonderful job by integrating these two things. And in fact, this is the need of the hour by which you can like know yourself and become what you are destined to rather than something else. आम का पेड़ बीही का बनने की कोशिश करेगा तो ना बीही का बन पाएगा ना आम का. तो ब्रेन वंडर्स ये काम बहुत अच्छे से करता है कि पहचानता है कि आखिर सीड है कौन सा, और उसको वो फर्टिलाइजर्स देता है, वो चीज़ें देता है जो उसको एक अच्छा सुंदर स्वादिष्ट आम का पेड़ बनाएगा बजाय बीही का पेड़ बनाने के. थैंक्स.
True, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your wonderful words and your time, sir. Thank you so much. Okay.